solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. I, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as chairman of the I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with Nigeria, that I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives of the Republic of Nigeria, that I will abide in all circumstances, I will do right to all manner of people, according to law, without fear of evil, affection, or ill will, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall not under my consultation or shall become known.
Do solemnly affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. Do solemnly affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as a member of the Ignatius Ajuru University of Education, Rivers State, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives and directive principles of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official without fear or favor, affection or ill will, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a member of the Ignatius Ajuru University of Education, Rivers State, except as may be required.
Great pleasure and deep sense of responsibility that I inaugurate the new governing councils of the Rivers State University and the Ignatius Ajuru University of Education. This occasion is not just a formal ceremony. It is a reaffirmation of our government's commitment to education as the cornerstone of sustainable development and the empowerment of our people. The Rivers State University and the Ignatius Ajuru University of Education both occupy a unique place in the academic and developmental landscape of our state. Over the years, these institutions have produced men and women who have contributed immensely to public service, industry, and innovation both within and beyond our borders. Let me also acknowledge with pride the excellent performance of lecturers from these two great institutions who continue to distinguish themselves at our various state events. Their commitment, professionalism, and intellectual depth have not only brought honor to the universities, but have also showcased the quality of talent we are blessed with in Rivers State. As indigenous universities, they carry the weight of our collective aspirations for knowledge, progress, and transformation. Today, as we inaugurate these new governing councils, your mandate is clear: to provide sound policy direction, ensure accountability in management, and create an enabling environment for teaching, learning, and research to thrive. We are entrusting you with the responsibility to steer the affairs of these great institutions towards greater excellence. The challenges facing higher education in our time are enormous. From the need for improved infrastructure to funding, research, staff welfare, and global competitiveness. But these challenges are not insurmountable. With vision, dedication, and integrity, you can provide the leadership that will consolidate the achievements of the past while opening new frontiers for the future. The state is determined to support our universities with their policies and interventions that will enhance their academic standing, expand your research base, and strengthen your ability to equip our young people with skills and values they need to thrive in the 21st century. In this regard, as the new governing councils, you must ensure that transparency in governance, accountability in resource management, and inclusiveness in decision making. We expect you to uphold the values of integrity, fairness, and service in the discharge of your duties. We also count on you to be proactive, visionary, and innovative in guiding the institution towards greater heights. I urge you to foster partnership with the private sector, developmental agencies, and international institutions to position our universities as not just centers of learning, but also hubs of innovation and enterprise. We must remember that a university is not an ivory tower. It is a living engine of social and economic growth. On behalf of the government and people of Rivers State, I congratulate the chairman and members of these new boards on your appointments. We expect that you will discharge your duties with wisdom, fairness, and unwavering commitment to the progress of our universities. Thank you, and may God bless our efforts. God bless Rivers State.
I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. I solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as a member of the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal
is a privilege and honor to be here today for the inauguration of the new governing boards of the Ken Saro-Wiwa and Captain Elechi Amadi Polytechnics. This ceremony is more than a formality. It is a reaffirmation of our government's determination to strengthen technical and vocational education as a critical driver of industrial growth and socio-economic transformation in Rivers State. These polytechnics, named after our most illustrious sons, occupy a unique place in the educational landscape of our state. They stand as symbols of resilience, vision, and progress, and have over the years produced skilled graduates who contribute meaningfully to our industry, institutions, and communities. These institutions continue to play a vital role in equipping our young people with practical knowledge, entrepreneurial skills, and innovative capacity that are urgently needed in today's fast-changing world. As you assume office today as the new governing boards of our great institutions, your mandate is very clear. You are expected to provide strategic leadership, strengthen accountability and transparency, uphold the values of discipline, excellence, and integrity, and work closely with management and staff to ensure that the polytechnics fulfill their mandates. You must promote policies that will expand access to technical education, improve infrastructure, enhance staff and students' welfare, and foster research and innovation that will drive development. The state is committed to supporting you with the resources, facilities, and policy direction needed to position you as the leading centers of technical education in Nigeria and beyond. But much will depend on your commitment, unity of purpose, and ability to steer these institutions with integrity and vision. I urge you to strengthen partnerships, attract investments, and create an enabling environment for teaching, learning, and research to thrive. Let our polytechnics become models for technical education and hubs for innovation in our state. On behalf of government and people of Rivers State, I warmly congratulate you, the chairman and members of these new governing boards, on your appointment. I urge you to see this as a call to service, as I'm confident that you will justify the trust reposed in you. May your tenure bring growth, progress, and lasting impact to our dear state. Thank you, and may God bless your efforts. God bless Rivers State. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.